Hello students, welcome back to our channel. This dictation is specially prepared for steno aspirants and candidates appearing for the stenotypist examination. The speed of this passage is 80 words per minute with fluctuation. Get your notebooks ready, sit comfortably, maintain proper posture and focus on accuracy along with speed. We will begin in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Before the High Court exercising jurisdiction over environmental matters, a public interest petition was filed alleging illegal industrial activities causing pollution of a nearby river and surrounding agricultural land. Full stop. The petitioner, representing a local community organization, contended that discharge of untreated waste had resulted in contamination of water sources, decline in crop yield, and adverse health effects among residents. Full stop. Learned Counsel submitted that regulatory authorities had failed to enforce statutory safeguards despite repeated complaints and inspection reports indicating serious violations. Full stop. The respondents, including industrial operators and environmental regulatory bodies, opposed the petition and argued that pollution control measures were in place and regularly monitored. Full stop. It was contended that occasional accidents of permissible limits occurred due to unforeseen technical issues which were promptly rectified. Full stop. The industry representatives emphasized economic importance of operations, providing employment opportunities and contributing to regional development. Full stop. They asserted that closure or suspension orders without comprehensive technical evaluation would result in significant financial and social consequences. Full stop. During preliminary hearing, the court examined inspection reports, laboratory test results, and photographs depicting alleged discharge into water bodies. Full stop. Questions were raised regarding frequency of inspections and adequacy of enforcement actions taken by regulatory authorities. Full stop. The court observed that environmental protection constituted a fundamental public interest and that precautionary principles required timely intervention where credible risk of ecological harm existed. Full stop. Directions were issued for submission of updated environmental impact assessments and compliance reports. Full stop. The petitioner produced affidavits from local residents describing health problems, livestock losses, and deterioration of irrigation facilities attributed to polluted water. Full stop. Medical records and agricultural surveys were annexed to demonstrate correlation between industrial discharge and environmental degradation. Full stop. Counsel for the respondents challenged reliability of anecdotal evidence and requested independent scientific evaluation. Full stop. Stanza. The court appointed an expert committee comprising environmental scientists and technical specialists to conduct site inspections and submit detailed findings. Full stop. The expert committee carried out water and soil sampling, examined waste treatment facilities, and interviewed affected residents as well as industry personnel. Full stop. Preliminary reports indicated deficiencies in waste management systems and occasional bypass of treatment processes during peak production periods. Full stop. Industry representatives disputed methodology used in sampling and requested reanalysis through accredited laboratories, full stop. The court directed transparent testing procedures with participation of all parties to ensure credibility of technical evidence, full stop. Arguments were advanced regarding doctrine of sustainable development balancing environmental protection with economic growth, full stop. Stanza. The respondents emphasized investment in pollution control equipment and corporate social responsibility initiatives benefiting local communities, full stop. The petitioner argued that compliance claims were superficial and that continued environmental damage outweighed economic contributions, full stop. The court noted that industries must operate within ecological limits and that environmental rights formed an integral component of constitutional guarantees relating to life and health, full stop. Attention was drawn to statutory obligations under environmental protection legislation requiring maintenance of emission standards and submission of periodic compliance reports, full stop. Regulatory authorities explained enforcement challenges including limited staffing and delays in laboratory analysis, full stop. The court questioned adequacy of monitoring mechanisms and sought explanation for failure to initiate timely penal action despite documented violations, full stop.